Awesome. Me and yeah, I hope Priya has started recording. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, then we can go for the demo. So, as I introduced myself, is Pratap Reddy. I'm working as a SAP SD consultant. I have 8 years experience. So, I worked on ECC, and present I'm working on the HANA process. Okay.
Right, sir.
So in SAP, if you compare, so it's a huge market in this ERP software. So mostly 70% of ERP occupied by the SAP.
Okay.
So means, for example, out of 100 companies, example, 60 to 70% are migrating to the SAP. So beauty of SAP is you are able to see all the transactions in one system. Say, for
Right.
example, you are a sales guy, so you were created sales order, you delivered, and you created invoice. I'm a FI guy, so I wanted to see what was the billing amount you created. So I don't want to go for the another system. Just you can, if you have authorization, just go and execute the transaction. You are able to see this one. Okay.
Right.
And the same way, once you got the payment from the customer, you raise a receipt. As usual, normally also we'll raise a receipt if you
Right.
receive anything. But in SAP, what will happen if SD guy like you, your name you told right, Mitra, right?
Mitra, yes, yes.
Yeah, I call it Mitra. It is because you're
Yes,
long
yes,
to this.
yes, yes.
So
I
Mitra,
can
it's
understand.
yeah. So Mitra, so you are a SD, so you are able to see the what FI transaction done for that particular invoice in the same system. So different of other systems and SAP is you are able to see all the transaction, either deliver related, order related, invoice related, finance related, everything you can able to see in the one system if you have authorization. Otherwise, you can ask the respective authorization person to show the process, what we done after the billing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But if you other ARPs, you are able to see sales order until invoice in one system, finance related with a different system.
Right.
So that is this thing. And SAP having multiple uh, courses. So SAP SD is the one of the course for that. So we have a two different ERP processes. One is technical, second one is functional.
Mm.
Technical is nothing but you have the code process that is called ABAP. Okay.
Yes.
And what we called now we are a functional consultants.
Okay.
It's configuration, testing, and we need to train the users. This is all done by us only.
The
And
functional group.
functional consult means function.
Okay.
And technical, what we do, they write the background codes. For example, you are executing one transaction, creating sales order like ABCD.
Right.
Okay. Just example I'm telling. That is not a SAP T code.
Right. 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 Right.
I'm just telling an example. Something ABCD is there. So what you do, you executed the transaction. What was the screen your visibility?
Okay.
That is written by the backend ababbers.
Okay. And there is something called techno-functional, like CRM and all.
I'll come that one.
Okay. Okay.
First you understand this one. Okay.
Yes.
So that is their job. You are this one. Now I coming to your point. Techo-functional means the person who knows functional and technical.
Okay. Both are
We
things.
called it as a techo-functional. For example, I have the small changes I'm able to do in ABAP coding process.
Okay.
And I know the functionality of this one. We call it as a this one. So
Techno-functional. Okay.
I'm able to write the code. I'm able to do the business process.
Okay. Fine.
We call it a techo function. It's come based on the experience, and remember techo functional consultants, it's very difficult to handle.
Okay.
So because you need to have a more clarity on the coding part. You need to have a more clarity on the business part.
Okay. Yes.
Like what we call the two boats at a time journey.
Okay. Okay.
But if you have good knowledge, you have very huge opportunities if you have a techo functional.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Because why I'm telling techo functional, because technical one project technical persons is work more than a functional consultant. One
Right.
functional consultant can handle multiple project at a time, but one ababber can handle one project because technical side is more important. Even though when you start the SAP project or you want to migrate a non-SAP to SAP to any
Yes. Mm.
company, first they will call it technical people.
Okay. Okay.
After all this, they feel that okay, then they will call for a functional consultant to get the requirement.
Right.
And functional consultant job will start once technical will complete that process backendly.
Okay. Once upon they have completed, then only functional paper consultant can start there.
For example, you want to drive a bus. Okay.
Okay.
When you are going to drive a bus, once bus come to you,
Right.
correct?
Right.
Before that, you should know all your driving skills. That is called our functional process.
Okay. Okay.
But bus will be done by backgroundly technical people. How steering will be done, how the indicator, if I click on left side, how it is go to the left side. If I click on the right side, if I click on the horn, how it sounds.
Okay.
This all which is you are seeing in the bus, visibility of this one, that is called transaction codes. But backgroundly, the technical side, they will write the codes. So if I click on the horn, it should be sound. But practically functional consultant know that okay, this is a transaction, I need to execute. So you click on the horn, it should be sound. That is your functionality. But backgroundly, they written the code like that.
Okay.
This is how about your SAP. And SAP, we have in the functional, we have huge courses like FICO, WM, PP, PQ, WM, ERM, SD, MM. These are all the courses, different process. But as a SAP functional consultant, at least you should know some basic knowledge on the some other this thing. For example, if you are choosing SD, you should know MM, you should know FI, okay. You should know PP, and you
Okay.
should know some WM, basic knowledge of this,
Okay. Okay.
because it's a integrated process, not like this thing. It's not individual. SAP SD is not an individual. It's
That
like
means
a
that means all the models are interrelated and integrated. We have to
yes,
know like.
yes, yes. That's what I'm telling. Basic at least. Okay, you are failing somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Some individual parts there in the pricing, all these things is comes under SD only. But basic enterprise structure, all these things is interrelated with this one.
Right, right. Because one in an organization, everything, every department is needed, so that's why.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
This is all the basic knowledge you need to get it from this uh, SAP. In other ERPs, you know your functionality only.
Yes.
That is the difference between other ERPs. That's the reason people are migrating. Because if you are getting everything in one solution, why you go for other ERPs? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. No, sir. Just call me brother. Uh,
Okay.
yeah. That is about this thing. So, any doubts until that?
Yeah, I have a question, Pratap. Uh, hello?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Yeah, Pratap. Sorry for it. Actually, it's a big cough, little cough is there, so that's what I.
Yeah, yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
actually, if just for an example, I just need to know a little bit because a lot of my friends are placed in SAP in techno-functional CRM and in SD model also. And so I have a question to ask that if I am having a running a organization and I have opted for HD is there, but can I have not opted for a functional like FICO and all. So can I integrate that
I got your question. Means you are telling you are not integrated with the FICO.
FICO? Yes,
How you are going to achieve this? Correct?
yes, right, right.
See, if you not aware of the FICO also, there is no problem. In the
Okay,
real time, what happen? Your module is your responsible. If it's an integrated module, You are both are responsible.
Okay, okay,
You
okay.
got my point?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
you got the answer for your question.
Yeah, Pratap. Yes, yes,
See,
yes.
for example, I'm unable to create a sales order due to some company code related issue.
Okay.
For example, so creation of sales order, who responsibility you want? Hello.
Yes, yes.
I'm able to
Yeah,
hear.
yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah. See, one, give me the answer for this question. So you are a SD consultant. You are responsible to create a sales order.
Right.
You are facing a problem.
Okay.
Means user facing a problem.
Yeah.
What user will say? He will raise a one ticket
Mm.
assigned to your respective SD consultant.
Right.
As a SD consultant, what you do? You go to the transaction. You see the error. You can
Right.
find out
Yes, yes, yes.
placed it to your configuration or somewhere.
Yes.
Then if it is yours, you check your configuration. If you not, you raise a concern to the respective department.
Okay.
Because if you have a knowledge on the integration part,
Yes.
then you are able to achieve this thing.
Right, right.
That is
Okay.
trying to
Yes,
say.
yes, yes. Got your point. Yes.
Okay. Anything? Hello?
One second. One second. One second.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Nothing. Actually, I need to. What is the scope of this SD right now?
Means
Because if I'll join the course, little bit about the aside from this course, is there any scope of getting job or something like that? What is the HD market actually? I want to ask you.
see, SAP all modules you can't predict okay SD में इतना है और FICO में
Okay,
इतना है.
okay.
It's not like that.
Uh-uh.
It's the integrated part. Okay.
Okay. That means all the modules are integrated. If then, yes, tell me.
Yeah, it's all integrated. So you required.
Okay, but my question is, it's not out of market course, right?
No, 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 not it.
After coming AI and all, it's that's what I'm my concern.
See, AI, it's a newly coming to the market.
Right.
So nobody knows that how they're impacting on the SAP AT side. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, so if you want to go AI, so if you want to provide anything to the AI, at least you should knowledge on the SAP, right?
SAP, yeah. If you have to feed also, it you have to realize in the SAP, yes.
Even AI comes. AI gives solution only. So I'm stuck this way. What you AI do? You type something. Okay, I'm stuck in this process. So let me know the if they given a solution, for example.
Mm-hmm.
So you should know that okay, this process where I missed.
Okay.
ये में एक ये एक आंसर दे दिया सेल्स ऑर्डर में आप ये फील्ड मैप नहीं किया.
Acha. Okay.
बट वो मैपिंग का किधर है आपको पता चलना ना नॉट ये.
Yes, yes, yes.
दैट्स व्हाट.
Because somebody has to feed the programming to this AI tool and all.
तो
If you
फॉर एग्जांपल आप रोबो से पूरा काम करवाएगा बट रोबो का एटलीस्ट चार्ज लगने के लिए आपको
yes,
चाहिए आप
yes, got to point.
पॉइंट किधर है कितना वोल्ट्स लगाना वो पूरा आपको मालूम होना चाहिए.
Yes. Because when the problem will come, that is why.
They not give the solution but they not go inside the system and do the process.
Right, right.
You should go and do the process.
Okay.
So this is about SAP. Anything you
Yes.
required from my side? Because uh,
I think you are doing job somewhere, right, sir?
yeah,
Right.
yeah, I'm doing sensor. So that details our APC team will, if
Okay.
required, provide this one.
Within
So,
the weekdays, I'll take the classes, so that's what
no
I'm.
issue, no issue. That your coordinator will discuss with you.
He's told me a little bit, but that's what.
No, no, that's what I'm telling. So the our team will approach you. So they will take your timings. After that, they will reach to me, and also I will also give my timing. So both they can coordinate. One time they will fix.
Sure, sure.
For
Pratap,
weekdays,
yeah,
yeah,
one request. Yeah, man.
yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, Pratap, one request is that actually my husband is also in IBM and he wants to ask one question regarding SAP. Can I ask?
Yeah, 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 absolutely.
Yeah,
Well,
please, Sushant. Pratap.
Hi, this is Sushant.
I say, hi.
Hi, how are
Yes.
you?
Yeah, good, good. How about you?
Good, 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 good. I
Yeah.
just wanted to know the job market on SAP ST and how it is, relevant right now. If you wanted to do that, so I just wanted to have that questions.
Well, it's I'm giving a clear. I'm working on the past 8 years on SAP SD. So still now I didn't face any market issue.
Okay,
So
so
I'm
the
I'm
job
I'm
is still coming up
still
and
I'm past 8 years I'm working. So packages also that is a different. I can't comment on that. But still I'm doing my job. I'm getting the calls. Even freshers, one or two experienced people are also getting the calls. Okay.
good. And
Okay.
my another question is,
1 minute. 1 minute.
I
Let me
just
finish. Let me finish. And as you are aware, sometimes market is so dull, which not only in SAP, all the other ERPs also they face some bad phase. That we need to agree.
what kind of bed face?
See, bad phase means sometimes market was dull.
Okay,
See, means for example, past 8 years I'm working. Sometimes I didn't get calls 1 or 2 months. After that, I'm getting now.
okay.
Continuously. Even still in the morning, 8 o'clock also I'm getting call.
Yeah, generally what I know in for SAP implementers for any organization, it should be a big organization, not the middle or small. So that's how the SAP has
Tushar,
been.
that is, I don't know how you get the information. Nowadays, every company, middle or smaller company, I agree, due to that financial problems, also they are not migrating, but above middle and big companies are targeting for SAP. Even startup companies also more focused on the SAP implementations only. So
Great.
market is huge for SAP.
Okay, great to hear that. And one more question, as Sangamitra asked you, right? So uh, suppose I have an organization and that she is saying some SD module they have opted for it and financial things is their own applications. And how do you actually integrate those things, sales order and POs and all? If my
See,
organization is have finance organizations and I don't
yes,
have
yes.
my finance applications.
See, some companies have the third party system for the creation sales order. So that is we can brought it to in the SAP with the customization programs.
My question is, what would be that middleware and how they are using that?
See, we use idocs.
iDocs, okay,
So that kind of process.
okay,
idocs. So Ariba we are getting POs in the
okay,
SAP. That kind of other systems, middleware is this one. We can use this one. So we call it as a functional modules in the SAP.
okay. Ariba can be integrated with SD and finance. Are you saying that?
Uh,
Ariba can be used in SD and finance in between. Are you saying
See,
that or
for
no?
SAP, SD and finance, we have the integration in the SAP only we have. So no need to get other systems for SAP. Other SAPs are if any billing was happened outside system, we need to brought it that SAP. We have the customization systems we are going to use. But
Okay,
initially, stand up SAP only, they were integrated already with all the modules. That's what I'm saying to Mitra. This is the integrated part of all the other modules, not only SAP SD. You are going to learn basic things of other modules. For
I heard that.
example, one
Uh,
minute. For example, you want to create a company code in real time. That is a FICO consultant will do that job. Hello.
okay,
But when the training comes, you should know how to create a company or company code. Because once that structure will built, then only you do your process. If you
okay,
not build that one, you are unable to do the your basic process.
okay.
Hmm.
Thank you, Pratap. Thanks.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Pratap.
That's fine, right? You got your husband also got your.
Yes. Actually, he was curious about this SAP because he is in project in some
So,
related to SAP. So that's what.
no, no, that's what I'm telling. Market is there and integration spots also there. So, so don't worry about that one. So our
Actually,
APC.
he was curious about this. Where is the market is there open? Because, frankly speaking, whenever my colleagues, my friends got placed in SAP, they are in SD also. In Wipro, they are there, and they told me that if you want to go for this, at least you need 1 to 2 implementation experience because freshers have no scope in SAP. So that is my query after. So I was asking about that day to Mary
See,
also.
that's
So
what I'm
SQL will
telling.
be
So
taken
it's
care.
not about freshers. About see freshers experience how they judge based on your interview part only.
Interview part, right, right.
You are confident on your subject. Nobody bother about your implementation. All these things. You are giving the answers such kind of questions to interviewer.
Right.
Then only you see. When I'm given the interview in the as a fresher, I don't know the implementation process because as
Okay.
a fresher, nobody will give the chance to
We will get
implementation.
exactly, exactly. That's what.
Because even the company will think, right? If you the pressure, if I given the system implementation, what you are going to do, you don't know, right?
Right.
So first, when I giving the interview, they are asked the same questions like about implementation. I told them, I have the knowledge and this is what is implementation phases when we are going. That is I explained.
Yes.
That time they feel that okay, if next time I give the chance to the implementation, is this person is able to do the
Able
such
to.
kind of this thing.
Right, right.
अभी हमको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज एटलीस्ट थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज तो होना
Critical
चाहिए
knowledge,
ना
yes, exactly. Yes. Yes.
because if you don't know anything on implementation see fresher is the problem is there we are very fear about in the initial stage that you need to agree
Right, right.
when see even apc team or me everything we giving the basic knowledge of the sap okay so
Right.
how we are going to train or develop yourself that is your thing हमको
Right.
रास्ता बताते हैं ओके मित्रा यू गो दिस वे ओके
Yes.
सो वो रास्ते में सेम वे जाना नहीं तो डिफरेंट वे में वो रास्ते के यू नीड टू अचीव योर डेस्टिनेशन दैट इज अप टू यू
Yes.
कैसे आप डेवलप करेगा वो है हमें 1 घंटे के क्लास में ले तू वन ऑन 24 hours आई गिव 1 hour टू यू करेक्ट
Right.
or if any problems are there another you can take it as a half an hour another 1 hour doubt clearance all these things okay
Okay.
after that practice is your within your hand जो
True.
क्लास दिया वही आप सोचेगा सो वही नॉलेज लेगा सो एक्सपेंड योर सेल्फ एंड ट्राई टू न्यू दिस थिंग्स
Exactly. Right. Right.
सिस्टम एसएपी में आप हाउ मच यू स्पेंड ऑन सिस्टम दैट मच ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज यू विल गेट इफ
Yes.
प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज यू हैव थियोरेटिकल ऑटोमेटिकली माइंड में आ जाएगा ओके सेल्स ऑर्डर में क्या किया बोले तो यू कैन क्लोज योर आइज यू कैन सी योर एसएपी स्क्रीन ओके
Yes.
मैं इधर गया था ओके दिस इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग प्रैक्टिकली दैट्स देन फाइन
Okay.
दैट्स
Yes.
इट
Okay, Pratap. Okay.
This is about you about our demo and my explanation about this demo. Just go with my APC team,
Sure, sure.
check with them, and please give your value feedback either it's positive or negative. But my team should know about our time. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks, Pratap. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Sangamitra, don't worry about the placement. See, even the trainer is trying to tell the same thing. What you
Yes.
need to do is learn the practical skills, learn the knowledge. That's more than enough for you since you already carry experience. So
Mm.
that should